Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT for dropshipping, what you can do to improve your, dropshipping experience with ChatGPT, and basically, how you can use ChatGPT to save more time while dropshipping. So, first of all, let's say you have a luxury watch brand, right? This is what I'm going to show you in this video. So, let's say you have a luxury, watch brand. And let's say we want to write a product description for luxury watches. What we can do is, I already have copy pasted here, but let's say I want to paste this, right? Write me a product description for luxury watches. Here I can put enter, and then as you can see, this ChatGPT will write me a description for luxury watches. Now you can give him a more specific, or I don't know why I'm calling AI him, but I will call it him. But yeah, just keep that in mind in this video. So as you can see right now, we are getting a free product description for our luxury watch brand right here. And obviously we can, we can make this a much, more niche brand, right? So let's say we are writing a product description for, I don't know, for clothing, we can do that as well, right? So as you can see, this is a great product description right here. Our luxury watches are the perfect blend of style and function. Right? It's great. This is great. So, okay, let's say we have this, right? Let's say we want ChatGPT to write us an ad copy about luxury watches. So let's go here and let's put this here. Write me an ad copy about luxury watches. Let's click this. Looking for a watch that's both stylish and reliable? Look no further than our luxury watches, expertly crafted with the finest materials. Wow, this is pretty good. This is pretty good for an AI, as you can see. These watches are also a statement piece. This is nice, guys. Look at this. It's really extensive as well. So this is just another example that you can use for your dropshipping. Okay, that's another example. So let me show you this. Let's say you have a blog and you want to, SEO optimize your website. You want to get more organic reach. You can type something like this. Write a blog article about luxury watches. And yeah, we can just type enter here, and I almost said they, and ChatGPT will actually write a article with basically about luxury watches right here. As you can see, this article is obviously going to be a lot. It will write out a lot of the things here, as you can see. Yeah, so you can do that, right? So you can write a product description for luxury watches or for your niche, right? Write an ad copy for luxury watches, or again, your niche. You can write a blog article. And let's say we want to create an About Us page for luxury watch brand, right? And let's say our brand is called Nuomo. So as you can see here, what we can do is we can copy paste, create an About Us page for luxury watch brand called Nuomo. We can put that here. And as you can see, welcome to Nuomo, a luxury watch brand that combines style and function to create the ultimate timepiece. At Nuomo, we believe that a watch should be more than just a tool to keep time. It should be a statement piece that reflects your personal style and elevates your wardrobe. This is great, guys. This is awesome. So these are just a couple of ways that you can use ChatGPT for dropshipping. You can save your time when writing a About Us section, product descriptions, writing ad copy, writing blog articles, right? This is what ChatGPT can do to you. So I just wanted to show you a couple of ways that you can use ChatGPT for dropshipping. Obviously, this is just some simple ways. You can also use it for other stuff like maybe finding low competition keywords for your blog, or maybe finding great or viral products that you can sell. So these are all the things that you can do with ChatGPT. If you want more ChatGPT tutorials, visit our website, or actually our channel down below. Subscribe to it, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.